हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एमआर लर्निंग सर्कल। तो आज की वीडियो में हम बुद्धिज्म के वन लाइनर पढ़ेंगे। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। द फर्स्ट वन इज गौतम बुद्ध वाज बोर्न ऑन 563 BC. नेक्स्ट, द इवेंट ऑफ बुद्धा's लाइफ which is known as महाविनिशकरण. What does this means? It means his departure from home. महाविनिशकरण का मतलब क्या है कि जब बुद्ध ने अपना घर छोड़ा था उसको कहते हैं महाविनिशकरण. Next, the clan which was related to Gautam Buddha's mother was Kolya clan. Next, the childhood name of Gautam Buddha was Siddharth. Next, the inscription of the given dynasties was Mauryan, Shung, Satavahanas, Kushans, which tells Lumbini was the Buddha's birthplaces. Mauryan. कौन से डायनेस्टी से पता चलता है कि बुद्ध की बर्थ प्लेस लुम्बिनी थी? तो it is from the inscriptions of the Mauryans. Next, out of the given inscriptions of Ashok, that is Basara pillar inscription, Nigali Sagar pillar inscription, Rampurva pillar inscription, Rumendei pillar inscription, that confirms the tradition that Gautam Buddha was born in Lumbini. तो कौन से बुद्ध के इंस्क्रिप्शन, अरे सॉरी, अशोक के इंस्क्रिप्शन से पता चलता है कि गौतम बुद्ध जो है वो लुम्बिनी में उनका बर्थ हुआ था? तो इट वॉज फ्रॉम रुमेंदेई पिलर इंस्क्रिप्शन. नेक्स्ट इज out of the given king's inscription, namely Ashok, Kanishk, Harsh, Dharampal, which gives the information that Shakyamuni Buddha was born in Lumbini. तो किससे पता चला? अभी ऊपर पढ़ा है, तो that is Mauryan king Ashok. Next, Mahatma Buddha's Mahaparinirvan took place in Kushinagar. Kushinagar is the capital of Republic of Mall. And next, Gautam Buddha attained Mahaparinirvan in the kingdom of the capital of Malla Republic, that is in Kushinagar. Now next, Mahaparinirvan temple is located in Kushinagar. Next is, out of the given kingdoms, namely Avanti, Kosal, Magad, which were associated with the life of Buddha. So Kosal and Magad were associated with the life of Buddha. Next, the last person to get enlightenment from Gautam Buddha was Subhadra. Next, the ruler of Suvarnabhumi, who founded a Buddhist monastery at Nalanda and requested Devpal through his ambassadors to grant 5 villages for its maintenance, was बालपुत्र देव. ठीक है, तो कौन सा रूलर था सुवर्ण भूमि का जिन्होंने बुद्धिस्ट मोनेस्ट्री फाउंड की थी नालंदा में और देवपाल से रिक्वेस्ट की थी कि वो उन 5 गांव उनको मेंटेनेंस के लिए दे दे? तो कौन थे वो? बालपुत्र देव. नेक्स्ट, बुद्ध resided during the last rainy season of his life in Vaishali. Next, the last person converted by Buddha was Subhadra. Next, Buddhism. The concept of nirvana is best described as the extension of flame of desire. तो निर्वाण का मतलब क्या होता है? The extension of flame of desire. Next, Alra Kalama was the teacher of Buddha. Next, Mahatma Buddha gave his first Dharma Chakra Pavatan in Sarnath. Next, Gautam Buddha gave the maximum number of sermons at Shravasti. Next, Buddha has visited Kaushambi during the reign of Udayan. ठीक है, किसके राज्य में पहुंचे थे? तो उदयन. Next, the first Buddhist conference after the death of Buddha was presided over by Mahakashyap. तो पहली बुद्धिस्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस बुद्ध के डेथ के बाद किसने प्रिसाइड की थी? He was Mahakashyap. Next, the president of first Buddhist council was Mahakashyap. Next, during the reign of Kanishk in Kashmir, the Buddhist council was held under the presidency of Vasumitra. The fourth Buddhist council was held in Kundalwan, Kashmir. तो fourth Buddhist council कहाँ हुई थी? कश्मीर में. Next, out of the given options, Buddhism, Nyaya philosophy, Yoga philosophy, and Jainism, which accepts Triratna. तो त्रिरत्न किस में है? बुद्धिज्म में है. Next, Mahayana sect of Buddhism emerged during the reign of Kanishk. Next is the correct chronological order of holding the first, second, third and fourth Buddhist council is पहला फर्स्ट काउंसिल कहाँ हुई थी? राजगृह में, सेकंड हुई थी वैशाली में, थर्ड हुई थी पाटलिपुत्र में, फोर्थ हुई थी कुंडलवन में. तो इसको कैसे आज रख सकते हो? RBPK. ठीक है. एंड नेक्स्ट इज द फर्स्ट बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल was held during. पहली बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल किसके राज्य में हुई थी? He was अजात शत्रु. Second Buddhist Council was organized by Kala Ashok. Next is the four important events of Buddha's life and thereby related four places are mentioned below. तो birth कहाँ हुआ था? लुम्बिनी में. Enlightenment बोध गया में. First preaching was in Sarnath and his death was in Kushinagar. Next, the event of Buddha's life that is represented by wheel with a deer in Indian art is first preaching. तो क्या कौन सा लाइफ इवेंट बुद्धा को क्या रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय? व्हील विद डियर, मतलब एक पहिया है उसमें डियर है मतलब हिरन है, तो वो क्या है? इट इज हिज फर्स्ट प्रीचिंग. फर्स्ट प्रीचिंग कहाँ हुई थी? सारनाथ में. नाउ नेक्स्ट, द करेक्टली मैच्ड लिस्ट इज एज फॉलो. बर्थ का क्या है? लोटस. फर्स्ट सरमन धर्म चक्र. एनलाइटमेंट किसको कैसे रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है? बोधि ट्री से. एंड ग्रेट डिपार्चर इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय हॉर्स. ठीक, तो बर्थ को क्या है? बर्थ किससे? लोटस से. ये इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकता है, आ सकता है. नेक्स्ट, कर्म मापा लामा बिलोंग्स टू द सेक्ट ऑफ तिब्बतन बुद्धिज्म. क्या है? कंग्युप्य. नेक्स्ट, द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट अबाउट लॉर्ड बुद्ध आर. ही वॉज बोर्न इन कपिलवस्तु. He attained enlightenment in Bodh Gaya. He discarded Vedic religion. He preached noble truths. ठीक, ये चार चीजें हैं. Next, Mahabodhi temple has been built at Bodh Gaya where Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment. महाबोधि ट्री कहाँ बनाया गया? बोध गया में, जहाँ पे बुद्ध को ज्ञान की प्राप्ति हुई थी. Next, Bodhi Vrish situated in Bodh Gaya is the fifth generation of its family. Next, out of the Buddhist sacred places, namely Bodh Gaya, Kushinagar, Lumbini, Rishipatnam, that is situated on the bank of Niranjan river. तो कौन सा इनमें से प्लेस है जो निरंजना रिवर के बैंक पे सिचुएटेड है? इट इज बोध गया. नेक्स्ट, द टीचिंग्स ऑफ बुद्धास आर रिलेटेड टू प्योरिटी एंड होलीनेस ऑफ कंडक्ट. Next, in Bodh Gaya, Bodhi Vrish was destroyed by Shashank. Next, the person who wanted to become the leader of Sangh even during the lifetime of Buddha was Devdutt. Next, the person whom Buddha nominated for the leadership of Buddhist Sangh after his death was none. किसी को बुद्ध ने किसी को नॉमिनेट नहीं किया था. Now next is, after the Mahaparinirvan of Lord Buddha, the first Buddhist council was held at Rajgriha. अभी पता है ना RBPK, तो राजगृह में. The concept of eightfold path forms the theme of Dharmachak Pravartana Sutta. Next, the truth statement about Gautam Buddha: he believes in karma, he believes in rebirth, he believes in attaining nirvana. Now next, the entry of women as bhikshuni into Buddhist Sangh was allowed by Gautam Buddha at Vaishali. कहाँ पे उन्होंने अलाउ किया था वुमेन की एंट्री संघ में? वैशाली में. Now Adi Shankaracharya is called crypto Buddhist. Tripitaka is the collection of preachings of Buddha. Next, the author of Visuddhi Magg is Buddha Ghosh. Out of the given religion names, Vedic religion, Buddhism, Jainism, Shaivism, Tripitaka text is related to Buddhism. Next, the Buddhist text that contains the rules of monastic life is Vinay Pitaka. Now next, the Buddhist literature that contains Buddha's sermon on matters of ethics and doctrine is Sutta Pitaka. Yamaka belongs to the Buddhist Pitaka Abhidham. Next, the ancient Indian Buddhist monasteries, a ceremony that used to be held where confessions by monks of their offenses committed during their stay in monastery in rainy season is called Pavrana ceremony. तो ceremony का क्या नाम है? Pavrana ceremony. Next, Ashokaram monastery is situated at Patliputra. Next, the highest in the world's Vishwa Shanti Stoop is located at Rajgiri, Bihar. Now next, the giant Buddha statue of 80 feet at Bodh Gaya was constructed by Japanese. Now the next is the word stup was used for the first time in Rig Veda. Next, out of the given stup, namely Sarnath, Sachi, Bodh Gaya, Kushinara, that is not connected with any incident of Lord Buddha is Sachi. Sachi स्तूप Lord Buddha के किसी भी incident से connected नहीं है. Now next is Neo Buddhism is advocated by Ambedkar. Next, world is unstable and transient. That is related to Buddhism. Now next is also known as the light of Asia, Gautam Buddha. Next, Sir Edwin Arnold's book The Light of Asia is based on Lalit Vistar. Next, the fundamental difference between Hinaya and Mahayana sects of Buddhism is worship of Lord Buddha as God. Gautam Buddha was elevated to the position of God during the period of Kanishk. The first human statue worshipped in India was of Buddha. Next, the oldest sculpture of Buddha is made in Gandhara style. Next, the religion that laid the foundation of idol worship in country is Mahayana Buddhism. Next, the mudra which is represented by the Gandhar Buddha image of Sarnath's first sermon is Dharma Chakra. Next, the standing statue of Gautam Buddha was built in Kushan period. Next, the Lord Buddha's image is sometimes shown with a hand gesture called Bhumi Sparsh Mudra which symbolizes. तो अब ये क्वेश्चन भी आ सकता है कि कौन से हैंड जेस्चर था, उस मुद्रा का नाम क्या है. तो द नेम ऑफ द मुद्रा इज भूमि स्पर्श मुद्रा. एंड व्हाट डज दिस सिंबलाइज? इट सिंबलाइजेस दैट Buddha's calling of earth to witness his purity and chastity despite the temptation of Maya. It's not Mara, it's Maya. Clear? Next, Sarnath Buddha image of Bhumi Sparsh Mudra belongs to the Gupta period. Next, the correctly matched pairs are Parivrajak, that is renunciant and wanderer, Shraman, monk, Upasak, lay follower of Buddhism. Next, the capital of Malla Republic was in Pava and Kushinara. Now, out of the given emperors, namely Ashok, Kanishk, Harshvardhan, Pushyamitra Sung, who contributed to the expansion of Buddhism? It is Ashoka, Kanishk and Harshvardhan. Next, correctly matched pairs are Lothal. Lothal में क्या मिला था? Ancient dockyard. Sarnath में first sermon of Buddhism. Nalanda में the great seat of Buddhist learning. Next, in Mahayana Buddhism, Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara was also known as Padmapani. Next, Lokartyavadin sect was an offshoot of Mahasangika sect of Buddhism. The defecation of Buddha by Mahasangikas fostered the Mahayana Buddhism. Next is now the historical person, and it is he or she is known as Aryadev is known as Buddhist philosopher, Dignaga is Buddhist scholar, Nath Muni is Vaishnav scholar. Next, the features of Mahayana Buddhism are deification of Buddha, treading the path of bodhisattvas, and the third is the image worships and rituals. Now, next is with a reference of the religious history of India, the following are correct. Which one are correct? Bodhisattva is the compassionate one on his way to enlightenment. And second one is Bodhisattva delays achieving his salvation to help all sentients being on their path to it. Okay, next is the largest and the most evolved rock cut Chaitya hall of the Hinaya phase is situated in Karle. Next, the Indian Buddhist monk who had been sent to China in the 1st century AD was Nagarjuna. तो कौन सा बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क था जिनको चाइना भेजा गया था? He was Nagarjuna. The Buddhist center of learning is Vikramshila. Next, the doctrine of void, that is Shunyata, was propounded by a Buddhist philosopher named Nagarjuna. Next, Nagarjuna belonged to the Buddhist school of Madhyamika. Next, Udantipur Education Center was situated in Bihar. Next, Vallavi University was situated in Gujarat. Nalanda University was founded during the dynasty of Gupta dynasty. The founder of Nalanda University was Kumar Gupta. Next, the reason included in expansion of Buddhism are the simplicity of religion, special appeal towards Dalits, missionary concept of religion, and regional language. Next, Buddhism started declining in India in early medieval times as Buddha was by that time considered as one of the incarnation of Vishnu and thus became part of Vaishnavism. Next, some Buddhist rock cut caves are called Chaityas, while the others are called Vihars. The difference between both is Chaitya is the place of worship while Vihar is a dwelling place, means where you can take rest. Next, the prominent form of Buddhism during the Sultanate period was Vajrayana. Next, the future Buddha who is yet to come to save the world would be Maitreya. Next, the early Chaitagriha and Vihar of Guntupalli, which are rock cut in nature, are located at Guntupalli village in Andhra Pradesh. Next, Nalanda University was famous in world because of Buddhist religious philosophy. Next, Nalanda Mahavihar is famous for Pali Research Center. Next, the common feature between Buddhism and Jainism was ahimsa, indifference to Vedas, and rejection of rituals. Next, the doctrine of momentaneousness has been propounded by Buddha. Now, the four noble truths of Buddhism in chronological order are suffering, the cause of suffering, cessation of suffering, and the path leading to the cessation of suffering. Next, both Jainism and Buddha believe that philosophy of karma and transmigration of soul. Next, the correct statement about Buddhism are it did not reject caste and class and it challenged the highest social ranked Brahmin. So that was all for today. In next video, we will learn about the Jain religion. Thank you.